Ralph, Yasser, Nikki, Arjan, Jo Marie, Kevin, Prince, Dave, Brent at Jay. Sila ang bumubuo sa pinakabagong boy group ng GMA, ang One Up, reality talent show babies, kung sila'y ituring dahil ang handsome members nito nagmula sa Starstruck, Bet ng Bayan, Spogify, Mr. Pogi at To The Top. Mapasinging, dancing o acting pa, caring-carry daw nila. Ang isa nga nilang dance video, pumatok pa sa internet. Pero bukod dyan, into business and sports din pala ang ilan sa kanila.
I have businesses, parang nag-start ako ng mga small business. I used to do taekwondo, then basketball, swimming, tapos now, nagbaboxing na rin ako.
Nagbabasketball po ako, volleyball, nagbaboxing po, more on football ako.
Ang iba naman ay nag-aaral din.
I'm taking up computer science.
I'm taking up Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management po.
Ano kaya ang relationship status nila ngayon?
Sa ngayon po, single na ako.
Kung itatambal naman, may mga gusto na rin daw makalove team ang boys.
Julian San Jose, and si Miss Kylie Padilla. Kylie Padilla.
Mga kapuso, let's get to know more about them and be mesmerized with their talents dito sa Unang Hirit.
Grabe ang ingay dito! Gising na kayo mga girls! May free fans day kami para sa inyo ngayong hashtag UH Free Day Friday! Magpapakitang gila sa aking kinigang group na One Up!
Hey. Oh, yeah. I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. Oh, to my city, oh, to my home. Look down up, no feeling down in my soul. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet, got that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can take my eyes above it, moving so phenomenally. You won't like the way you rock it. Don't stop, and under the lights, everything goes. Nowhere to hide when I'm getting you gone. Girl, you already know. Just imagine. Nothing I can see but you dance. You can creeping up on you, just dance. Come on, all the things I should do, you dance. And ain't nobody leaving soon.